Welcome again, guys, to Conditional Probability, exercise 4.4 from your Oxford textbook. So I just wanted to do number 4 for you, just to help you get on top of this. It is a bit more tricky than some of the topics we've done so far. So here we have a school of 542 students, and of those, 282 are girls. So I've represented that here in this part of the tree diagram. 282 out of 542, therefore there must be 260 boys. Okay, 260 plus 282 is 542. So that's the first part of our diagram. Then we read in the instructions that there are 364 students who walk to school, and of those 364, 153 are girls. So that means there must be 211 boys walking to school. Okay, because 211 plus 153 is going to be our 364. Okay, the next step is to work out how many are non-walkers. So we know there's 260 boys, and therefore there must be 49 boys who don't walk, because 49 plus 211 gives us our total of 260 boys. Then the girls, there must be 129 non-walkers, because 153 plus 129 is going to give us our 282 girls. Then I just multiplied out my branches to get these probabilities here. Pause the video if you want to check those on your own. I think they're correct. Okay, so question A is we are selecting a student at random and we want to know the probability that they're a boy. Well, obviously, since there's 260 boys out of 542 options, that means it's 260 out of 542. What is the chance that it's a boy who does not walk to school? Well, how many boys don't walk to school? There's 49 of them, and we're picking from the whole student group. So it's not 49 out of 260, it's 49 over 542, which is the total student group. Now C is a little bit more tricky, but I think manageable. So we're picking out of this group at random. What is the chance that it's someone who does not walk to school given that they're a boy? Now, given that they're a boy, is this part here. There's 260 boys. Given that they're a boy, what's the chance of them being a non-walker? So that is simply 49 out of 260. Given that you've selected a boy, what's the chance that he's a non-walker? 49 out of 260. Now the last part is probably the bit that you were struggling with. We're picking at random. What's the chance that it's a girl given that they walk to school? So we represent this probability that it's a girl given they walk to school. Probability girl given that they walk to school. And using our formula that we learnt, that is equal to the probability that we have a girl intersection with walking divided by the probability of walking. Now, we can look at our tree diagram to help us. What is the probability that we have a girl and a walker? Well, a girl and a walker is this bit here, 153 over 542. What is the probability of walking? Well, this one here and this one here. So all we need to do is chuck this into the formula. So girl and walking is the red bit here. So I'm going to write 153 over 542. And that is going to be divided by the probability of walking, which is the two blue circles. So that's going to be 211 over 542 plus 153 over 542. Now, you'll notice that this denominator and this is going to be cancelled out. So our final answer is simply going to be 153 over, what are these? 211, 311, 364. So that is the probability that we select a girl given that we've selected the walkers. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Have fun trying the last one. Let me know if you're still stuck on that, and I will help you if necessary. Good luck, guys.